How are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 35 of GoMining solo mining, and of course, you know, 2 miners, 250 terahash, 15 watts of terahash, and a 6.3% discount. Now, we're going to be changing some things. This discount and this power amount are going to change today, and the number one reason why is the special offer. Prices are cut while Bitcoin is below 100K, and it looks like Bitcoin is wanting to, you know, push back up again. I'm not sure if it's going to break above this and keep going, but I would rather purchase some now when the price is low and on a discount than when it's fucking all the way up here. So we're going to be adding, guess how much? Guess how much? Anyone want to guess? All right, here's the number. It's 250 terahash. We're going to be putting ourselves up to 500 terahash. And because we're doing that, that's going to put us into the next VIP level, which is Platinum 1. And when we get to Platinum 1, you know what that gets us? That gets us a Platinum Go box, which we're going to be opening in another video. And it also puts the maintenance discount from 1.8 to 2.1. That might not seem like much, but hey, an extra 0.3% is an extra 0.3%, especially when you're making a lot more Bitcoin. It's a bit more money that you're saving. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with our last upgrade. We're going to be doing it on my phone, but we're just going to quickly go over this. For 250 terahash, that's what I'm already at now. So I'm literally just doubling. I've already put in about just under 8,000 USD. I believe it's like 7,800. For me to buy the exact same amount that I've already invested, it's only going to cost me this much. Now, given there is a 10% discount on this right now, so it would be an extra $480 on top of this. But either way, because I was doing little investments at the beginning, you know, from 16 terahash up to I think it was 32, then 64, stuff like that, it cost me a lot more per terahash. So because I'm doing this 250 at once, I'm saving a shit ton. And the other good thing is our daily reward is going to go from 0.0001069 Bitcoin all the way up to 0.0002158 Bitcoin. We're going to be doubling it. We're going to be doubling it. And let's see how quickly. 3, 2, and 1. Bada bing, bada boom. From 250 terahash up to 500 terahash. My discount has not changed yet. Maybe I should reload the page. Now that looks better. A 6.6% discount, 500 terahash at 15 watts of terahash. And then if I click this little button here and I go to Go Boxes, oh, what is that? A plus one? A plus one? What is this? In the collections, one available. Oh my God, a platinum one. My Go Boxes? Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Now, that's going to be another video. I'm not going to do that now. Right now, I'm going to jump in to the actual week 35. For our total rewards is 0.03823209. It says it's worth $3,591.82 USD, but if we take that number and we put it in a USD to sorry. If we put it into a Bitcoin to USD convert, look at the price of Bitcoin, just under 94,000. Better buy your upgrades now while you can. And we click paste. Oh, it's off by like $1. Not bad at all. Time for the weekly rewards from December 23rd to December 29th. Apply. It says we made 0.000344442 Bitcoin, but I'm just gonna quickly go over this, so give me 1 second. Okay, so this time they weren't, I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened because I put the numbers incorrectly. 1060.08, 3262, 3256, 1059.5, 3342, 3378, and then 1064. Oh well, take this number, we put it in the, no, we don't put it in yet. We gotta put 3 zeros in first, and then we paste it, and that tells us $43.30 USD that we made this week. But for now on, we're gonna be making twice the amount of Bitcoin because we just doubled up. That's amazing. That's amazing. This special offer is pretty good. I would advise it because, you know, if you haven't started mining, you can use my referral link down in the description below. You will earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. And they are having a sale on creating a miner. 8% off, 12% off, 13% off, 14% off. I'm not sure if it cuts off at 14% or if it continues going if you get more terahash, but you can start for as little as $22.99. Or, you know, if you already have a miner, they're having 10% off all current upgrades. So I would hop on that quickly. I'm pretty sure it is just for power. I don't think it's for efficiency. I can't check because I'm at, you know, the maximum amount of efficiency, which is 15. But remember, do your own research, learn before you invest, and don't just put your money somewhere where you don't actually know, you know, what's happening or how it works. Learn about it a little bit. We'll see you guys soon. Adios.
Falling out with the crew and attitude of gratitude. It'll take you far in life. Ungrateful motherfuckers seem to have it hard in life.